Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to recover deleted Facebook message. First of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and log in my Facebook account. Look here, this is my Facebook account dashboard. Now I'm showing an easy method step by step, so follow my work process. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon, settings and privacy, settings, left side, scroll down, download your information and then continue. Request a download. Now shown here two options. Now I'm select option 2. Now shown here more option. I need to just messages option, select this and then next, format, HTML, media quality, high, medium, low. Now I'm select medium and then finally tap on submit request. Okay, you need to just waiting some hour, then Facebook team automatically send you a email in your email address. Then you need to just convert zip file to unzip, then shown here all your history. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.